if you're struggling with making straight lines while tufting, here's a little tip that could help you out. Now, this is the foot of the gun, this is the right foot, this is the left foot. So assuming you have an existing line like that. So if you're tufting going to the right or to the left, you're going to use the left foot or the right foot. Now, if you're going on the right side, the left foot will be sitting on the existing line like so. And you have a straight line which is evenly spaced from the existing line. So we can do another one. And that is the other line. If you're going on the left side, you're going to use the right foot of the gun. And just like so. In the case of where you want the lines to be densely packed, you're going to use the edge of the needle. Now, make sure that the edge of the needle just coincides with the edge of the existing line. So that is one.